So hi there. So this is a Daikin's remote, and even after placing new batteries, there is absolutely no display out here. So we'll just check what's wrong with it. We'll open it up and check what's wrong with it. So we'll open this remote up. There are no screws actually. So it's all clip which is inside. So we'll simply try to pry it open. So you can see it's clicking. So we'll start opening from one side like so. We'll keep the camera stable. Likewise, we'll just go all around it. So we have opened it up. We'll remove these batteries. So the problem is very clear. Let me focus it. So you see there's been leakage of the old battery which were inside, as a result of which the terminals have corroded. So you see this terminal is broken. It was attached here, this is broken, so there is no free flow of current. So you see this old spring is all broken. So luckily we had a new spring. So this is the new spring, and we'll attach it to the slot right here. We'll cut it to size and attach it to the slot right here and see if it works. And then we'll solder using a wire, a jumper wire. So first we'll apply some flux onto the ground terminal because this is where it's broken. And then we'll apply some solder. Now we'll take a piece of a small wire and solder it onto this area. So this wire is attached right here. Now we'll apply some solder to the spring terminal that we have attached onto the casing, and then attach the wire. So the ground wire is attached back. Now we'll pack it up and see if it works. So finally it's all packed up. And so we'll put the batteries now and see if it works. Now you can see the displays coming. I don't know if in the camera you're able to see it properly, but here we have the display. So that's all folks for today. See you next time.